People make millions of dollars from trading every single year. There's no doubt that trading is an absolutely phenomenal skill. But the fact of the matter is, most people lack the skill, the discipline, and the patience to be successful in trading. Now, let me tell you another thing that's so important when it comes to trading: mindset. What are you thinking when the market is totally red, when there's blood in the streets? Let's take a look at the crypto market right now. You can see that all of the hot tokens are in red right now. Some of them are reporting a more than 20% change in the negative in the last 24 hours, right? And there's some people who are going crazy. There's some people who are selling like crazy. They're panic selling, but there's real traders who know exactly what to do. And there's other people like myself who have a totally different strategy. And that's what I'm going to cover today in this video. Now, my name is Anthony Deloach, and I share my participation in high risk, mid risk, and even some low risk platforms in the cryptocurrency and foreign exchange space. Now, I'll show you what's working and what's not. So if that's something that you're interested in, then I want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto platform review or tutorial. Now, I want to give a big shout out to BTCC, one of the world's longest lasting exchanges. Yeah, they didn't go out bad like some of those other exchanges that you know about, right? It's one of the ones that I really like, and I'm going to be highlighting this exchange a lot more in the future. This is going to be a major play for us in 2025 as we dive deep into spot and futures trading in the cryptocurrency markets, right? And I'm actually going to have an AMA with someone from the company very, very soon. It should be happening this coming Monday. So I want you guys to stay tuned to my channel so you do not miss that. So you can see how BTCC could be a major play for you in the coming future. All right, now let's get into this. We were just looking at these cryptocurrencies, what's happening in the markets. Now, there's a lot of people who are going out there. If they're spot trading, they're going in and they have the mindset that they're going to reposition themselves, right? And they're saying, hey, look, I am going to buy more while there's red in the streets, while there's blood in the streets, right? Because this means that I'm getting these cryptos at a discount. They're much lower than they have been in a long time. Now, it takes some courage, some know-how, some knowledge to be able to do that so you can do it effectively, right? You have to know what you're doing if you're going to be trading in these streets. Now, there's some people who are saying, look, I'm getting out of these positions right now because I got in a good place and I don't want to end up selling at a loss. This thing continues to plummet. They're scared. They're panicking. And I want to say that's majority of people. Now, the true traders, they're just going out looking for opportunities, right? And I believe that's the mindset that we should have if we're going to really participate in this trading market. Now, you may be saying, Anthony, I don't know how to know when a coin is going down, when is a good time to buy. I don't know all of the terminology. Now, I'm going to help you with that because I'm going to be doing some education on spot trading and futures trading when it comes into the cryptocurrency markets. I'm going to make sure you guys understand what you need to know when it comes to that information. But while you don't know, I believe that it is a great idea to have another way to actually profit from the markets, even if you don't know how to trade. Now, most people don't know things like this are available, but I've been able to make a lot of money from things like this. This is the passive side of trading, right? This is the passive side. When you say, Anthony, what passive side of trading? Well, this is where you allow someone else to do the trading while you get the benefit, right? So you put up your money, they're going to do the trading, and then you get a piece of the profit. You share the profit with that person somehow, some way, right? That is what I believe is a phenomenal thing. Now, this is not always easy. You have to find the right traders or the right software, the right algorithms, all of this stuff to make sure that you're successful in the market. Now, on my channel, I share different platforms. These are companies or platforms and websites where you can go ahead and you can use your crypto and you can start earning on a daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, something like that. You're earning passive income because of someone else going out and doing activities in the markets. Now, today I'm going to highlight one that I've been in for a little while and I'm really enjoying. That one is Ventrobi. Now, Ventrobi has been absolutely phenomenal. You guys know I did a review on it not too long ago, but I have $5,000 staked in this platform. Now, so far, I've been able to withdraw $1,868.74 off of my 5,000, guys. And I think I've been in for maybe a month. I don't know the exact time frame, but I'll let you guys know that a little bit later. But I want you guys to understand that this has been absolutely phenomenal because I haven't had to do any trading. All I had to do was come in this back office, click a few buttons, and then I would draw my profit, right? This is amazing here with a platform like this. Now, this platform, Ventrobi, they actually allow you to participate in their trading pools. Now, the pool that they have available right now is the spot and futures trading. I know we just mentioned spot and futures trading, right? And so being that they are participating in spot and futures trading and we get to get in those pools, whatever profits that our plan is designated to earn, we earn that on a daily basis. Now, do we get all of the profits that they earn in the markets every single day? No. That's what you get if you are actually going out doing the trading yourself. But when you're participating in a platform like this, they will give you a small percentage of whatever they are trading, and then you get to benefit from that. So maybe you'll get 1% a day, 2% a day, something like that. Now, when it gets to the higher levels, it's usually more risky, just from my experience, right? If you're earning 3% a day or something like that, it's on the higher risk side. And a lot of times, honestly, those platforms don't last as long because if they are trading for real, they aren't successful enough with the trading to maintain the demand or the payout that they promised to their members, right? Now, in this platform, I'm earning 1.4% per day, which I believe is absolutely phenomenal that I'm earning 1.4% per day, 5 days a week, and I'm going to earn this for 45 days. That's incredible on my $5,000. And then after that, my 5,000 can be unstaked, and then I could do whatever I decided I want to do with it. Now, maybe I want to go back in and start earning some more money, or maybe I want to reduce my $5,000 stake and say, hey, look, I'm going to do 25, or maybe I want to increase it so I can make more. Right. But I love the flexibility of a platform like this. The other thing is that you can fund these platforms with any cryptocurrency that you desire. You see that there's a lot of different cryptocurrencies out here that you can participate in. Whether it's Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple, XRP, we love it. Dogecoin, Tether, Tron, Tether again, BNB, and then Tether BEP20, right? So there's several different tokens that you can actually participate in this platform with, right? Now, you could go in and you could do a staking right here. And when I click on this, it should go over to the staking portfolio. So you can see exactly what staking plans are available if you do want to participate in one of these staking plans. Now, while I'm waiting for this to come up, I do have to let you guys know this is a very high risk way to participate in the markets. But this is one of the ways that I have been successful with hedging some of the things that are going on in the markets. So when there's blood in the streets, guess what? I'm still making money from the markets. That is absolutely phenomenal for me that I can know that I'm still making money regardless of what's happening in the streets. Now, I'm going to just look at some of the different packages or staking plans that they have right now. So this one right here is a 15-day staking plan, so it's not very long. You can come in and you can stake as little as $100 all the way up to $14,999. And you're going to earn 1% daily for every day, Monday through Friday. This is for working days only. Now, at the end of the 15 days, your principal is returned and you're good to go. Now, you can actually go in and do another plan, which they have is a 25-day staking plan, which this one starts as 100 as well. It's extended a little bit longer to 25 days, goes up to 14,999. But this is, you're going to earn 1.2% per day for 25 working days. Now, this is the one that I'm in, the 45-day staking, where I'm earning 1.4% per day. And that you can start with as little as $100 with this one, and you can actually go all the way up to $14,999. This is for 45 working days, and at the end of the staking period, you actually get your principal returned to you. Now, there's a longer one for 75 days, and this one, once again, starts at 100, goes up to 14,999. This one is a period of 75 staking days. This is working days, remember that, right? And you are going to get your capital back at the end of that one also. Now, what you can do is go in and calculate how much that you're going to earn from this if you go in and put in the amount of your deposit, right? So let's just go in, and I'm going to use the staking that I have right now to give you guys an example. So let's just say if I put in 5,000, right? So if you do 5,000 here, right? And let's choose the plan that we want to do. And I'm going to select the plan that I'm in. which is the 45-day staking. So I'm going to choose this plan, and I'm going to go back down here. Oh, I had to redo it. Let me make sure I had the right numbers in here so you guys can see this. So if I put 5,000 in here, you guys see why I'm doing that? I'm going to make a total profit of $3,150 by the end of my 45-day stake. That means that I did 5,000 and created $3,150 with it in 45 days. This is 45 working days, guys. I'm making $70 a day. I really like this. One of the things that you always want to pay attention to when you're participating in platforms like this, are they paying their withdrawals, how fast they're paying their withdrawals, all of that, the communication from the company, all of those things has been incredible. The company is opening up a new office. They're building their office I think it's in Turkey. So you're going to be able, they're opening their office and they'll be inviting people out to come. I know there's several leaders that are planning to go to the office to check it out, to see the CEO, not only that, but see the other people that are there, the other leadership of the company, all of those types of things, right? We do those things because we want to go and see that where we're putting our crypto is actually a good place. It doesn't eliminate the risk, guys. It's just giving us more comfort as we go forward. So we still know that this is a very risky space, and we're taking a risk when we're doing this. But so far, this risk is paying out for us in this platform, and we are really enjoying it. So what I want you guys to do is check out my other videos that are going to be highlighting how we're going to be participating in the markets and how we're going to be earning this passive income from cryptocurrency. And we're going to use cryptocurrency for this new wave of wealth that it is creating. There will be a great wealth transfer, but it's only for those who are willing to take the risk to see that transfer happen. All right. So hopefully this video has been helping you, or has helped you on your way to creating passive income in the cryptocurrency, in the foreign exchange markets. As always, guys, you know what I want you to do. I want you to invest wisely. I want you to invest well. I want you to only invest what you're willing to lose, but you know you're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out. Peace.